If you're targeting e-commerce developer jobs right now, SFCC is a skill that keeps popping up. I'm Riya, and I'm starting an SFCC series from beginner to architect level. I'll explain it in a way that even if you've never touched SFCC, you'll still be able to follow step by step until you can build real flows. So what is SFCC? Salesforce Commerce Cloud is a cloud platform to build online shopping websites. The stuff users see like product pages, search, cart, checkout, and the stuff business teams manage like catalog, content, promotions, customer accounts. SFCC handles all of it. That's why companies hire SFCC developers. You're not building e-commerce from scratch. You're taking an enterprise-ready system and customizing it fast, safely, and in a way that can scale. In real projects, you'll mainly work on SFRA storefront code, APIs and integrations like payments and order systems, and business managers so non-tech teams can run the store without calling you for every small change. In the next video, I'll show you how SFCC started, its evolution, and why that history matters for learning it the right way today. And if you want the full detailed lesson, plus beginner roadmap, plus architecture diagram, click the link in the comment section and request for access to become a member and unlock the complete version. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos in this SFCC series. Goodbye.